Good day, we are the Group 1, developing the Pulse, a telehealthcare platform that bridges the gap between patients and healthcare providers by integrating video conferencing with statistical-driven analytics using the naive-Bayes algorithm. Pulse not only facilitates remote consultations but also delivers predictive insights to assist doctors in the early diagnosis and personalized care. So our application has several features, which first one is remote patient monitoring, AI-driven health predictions, personalized health insights, doctor-patient video consultation, and community health tracking. The one we will be making a demo for today is the doctor-patient video consultations. So without further ado, let's proceed to the website. So here in our website, we are greeted by the first the login form, which then it is a centralized login form for all the user types such as the user, admin, patient, and doctor. Let's go first to the first process of our consultation, which is the doctor side. In here, we can see several features such as the medical events, consultations, and several history for consultations. Let's proceed to the consultations. So in the consultations tab, we can set an availability for the doctors. Each doctor can set their own availability 3 days from now. Like for example, it's 21 today. You can only set an availability 3 days from now. Let's proceed and set an availability. As you can see here, we have several validations for the adding of availability in our system. It is automated, which pwede silang maglagay. So sa doctor availability, pwede mag-set yung mga doctors ng availability. Per doctor can set their own availability, pwedeng recurring, pwedeng by weeks, pwedeng by month, etc. So we have some preset here which is already booked and already had consultation. This is just an overview of everything that you can do to manage your availability as the doctor. So after you have set an availability, typically the next step in the consultation process would be the patient requesting a consultation request to that availability, to that specific day. So in here we already have some requests, if I am not mistaken. Yes, from John patient, which has symptoms. In here we can showcase the naive Bayes algorithm, which helps us. So after setting an availability, we can then proceed to the requests tab. So typically after, never mind, I have said that. In here we can see a consultation request coming from John patient. So dito natin makikita yung partial or implementation of the naive Bayes algorithm. By clicking this drop down, we can then see the generated prediction for our patient using the present patient data and the symptoms given by the patient. Here we can see the reason for consultation, like checkup, and the health prediction given by our naive Bayes algorithm from these symptoms given by the user. So now we can proceed to the actual consultation. After accepting this, we can then proceed to the actual consultation. Oh my. Let's find our present consultation. In here we have several filtering options such as dates, statuses, and by patient name. So let's proceed on this call to show the video conferencing stuff. Oh no. Unfortunately, I cannot use the camera because I'm recording right now. So, never mind that. So now here in our consultation page, which has the video recording to the patient, in here,
Ano ka video ba?
or you can see several features such as the overview of the previous data that is sent from by the user using the naive-Bayes algorithm as well. Here is the health prediction and the probabilities of the given symptoms.
Gamitin ko ba itong chat?
Several features here such as the consultation notes, and soon we will implement a symptoms and additional noting system to further provide context to the consultation that happened. And in here, just in case, we are going to implement a conversation which is pwede mag-provide ng way to communicate without a microphone. So let's proceed then to the next section. After ending the consultation as a doctor, we can then see a form to set our final diagnosis, the prescribed medications, and the treatment plan we are going to give the or ibibigay natin sa patient as a result. So testing natin. Partially implemented pa lang yung ibang features here, like this is the overview of the overall consultation. Di pa namin nalalagay yung notes here, but soon it will be. And let's proceed. Just test, 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 test. It still lacks some validation stuff, but after submitting, we can then see the consultation already completed in here. So that's all. Thank you.